Today's topic is semi-groups in third semester, first unit groups. Okay, what is the definition of semi-group? First, let us know about semi-group. What is a semi-group? An algebraic structure S comma circle is called a semi-group if the binary operation circle is associative in S. An algebraic structure S comma circle is called a semi-group if the binary operation circle is associative in S. Already we know that associative. What is that associative? Have to consider, if we consider any three elements in S, that is for A comma B comma C belongs to S, implies A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C. Here circle is a binary operation. Binary operation means it is also satisfies closure law also. Closure law means you have to take any two elements in S, then we apply any binary operation between the two elements. Here we consider circle, that's why here you have to write A circle B. A circle B belongs to S. That is the binary operation. Okay. An algebraic structure S comma circle is called a semi-group if the binary operation circle is associative in S. Okay, it's for example n comma plus is a semi-group. N comma plus is a semi-group. For A comma B, for this semi-group, you have to prove that first of all plus is a binary operation on N. Then you have to prove that A comma associative law under addition. Here you have to consider here what is this binary operation plus. That's why you have to apply plus here. Okay. For A comma B belongs to N implies A plus B belongs to N. That is for closure law. Second one is A comma B comma C belongs to N implies A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C for every A comma B comma C belongs to N. This is for associative property under addition in N. Okay. Next example to consider Q comma minus is not a semi-group. For this example, for this you have to consider 5 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 belongs to Q. For this semi-group, you have to apply three elements here. We have to consider three elements. That elements are 5 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 belongs to Q. Here 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is not equal to 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. For this consider 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 2. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? Here 2. 10 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. 10 minus 3 by 2 can be written as 7 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 7. Now here apply LCM here. Then we will get a 7 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Again we consider here 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. 5 minus 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 minus 2 by 2 can be written as 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 minus 1 by 2. 10 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 here. Okay. Therefore, 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is not equal to 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. This is not, therefore, Q is not a semi-group under subtraction. Okay, that is minus. Next example, Q is the set of rational numbers. Circle is a binary operation defined on Q such that for A comma B belongs to Q implies A circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Okay. Again I explain this. Okay. Q is a set of rational numbers. Circle is a binary operation defined on Q such that for A comma B belongs to Q implies A circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Here circle is a binary operation between these two elements. This binary operation is defined as like this. Okay, A plus B minus AB. Now have to prove that Q comma Q comma circle is a semi-group. For this consider First, how to prove the A circle B. Here circle is a binary operation here, that means closure law. Closure property is satisfied in Q under circle. Okay. For next, you have to prove that semi-group. What is this semi-group definition? First, you have to prove the closure law. Second one is associative property. Already proved this. Already here proved that binary operation, that means closure property here. The next property is associative property. For this associative property, you have to consider three elements here. For A comma B comma C belongs to Q, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B plus C minus A circle B into C. Here A circle B. Here A circle B is equal to, considered as A. A circle B is equal to A and C is equal to B. Now we have to apply A circle B. How already defined here, A circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Here A is equal to A circle B plus B is equal to C minus AB. A into B means here A circle B, A circle B into C here. Again expand, A circle B circle C is equal to, here A in the place of, you have to take here A and B is equal to C here. Now apply A circle B. What is the definition of A circle B? Already defined in that problem. What is that? A plus circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Okay. Here now apply A circle B. A circle B means here A circle B is equal to A, C is equal to B. Now apply A circle B between these two elements. Okay. A circle B means A plus, here what is here A? A circle B plus B. What is here B? C. Okay. Minus A into B. What is here A? A circle B into C. Okay. A circle, what is the definition? Already defined here. What is A circle B here? A plus B minus AB plus C minus A plus B minus AB into C. Okay. Here A plus B minus AB into plus C minus A plus B minus AB into C. Here A, then we will get A plus B minus AB plus C minus A into C, AC minus into plus minus B into C, BC minus into minus plus A into, minus into minus plus AB into C, ABC. Okay. Then we will get A plus B, then it can be written as A plus B plus C minus BC minus AB minus AC plus ABC. Okay. It can be written as A plus B plus C minus BC. Here AB minus AC plus ABC. That's here A is common in these three terms. That's why you have to comment A here. Okay. A into, it can be written as A into B plus C minus BC. Okay. Here A plus B plus C minus BC is equal to B circle C. Here minus A into B plus C minus BC written as B circle C. Okay. What is in the form of here A circle B. A circle B. Here A circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. A circle B is equal to A plus B minus AB. Here we consider in place of A and in place of B circle C. Now have to apply A circle B circle C. It can be written as A plus B circle C B circle C minus A into B circle C. That's why I have to write here A circle B circle C. Are you understand? Okay. Therefore, A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C for every A comma B comma C belongs to Q. Okay. Therefore, Q is a semi group under circle.